This 2027 Entegra Coach Expanse 21T is a Class B RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2027 Entegra Coach Expanse 21T is built on a Ford Transit AWD 350 HD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.